Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80004005 that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads that there were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help, followed by, again, error message 0x80004005. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best match, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, underneath options, you want to select the other troubleshooters button. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the Run button. And if it's able to detect and repair anything, hopefully that should be able to hopefully troubleshoot the problem you're having. If you're still having an issue, you can open up the search menu, search for CMD. Best match, come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's a system file checker utility. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in. It will take some time to run the system scan, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and paste in the second command. I'm going to have in the description of the video and give this one a couple minutes to run as well. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you should be good to go if you attempt to check for updates. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.